Hello everybody, and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art.
Hello beautiful sassy lovers. Okay, let's dive right into, like you saw on the little thumbnail, we're gonna play with some acrylic from Modelones. So like you can see me doing right here, I am numbering all my jars with my own numbers. So they are matching with the wheels that I'm using to make it easier for me in the future when I want to use some colors. Okay, so yeah, let's open the slow setting monomer from Modelones, and the first thing I noticed was the smell. Oh my goodness, guys, if you have issues with the smell of monomer, try the slow setting one. Okay, yeah, it's a lot less than the normal one. So here is the brush that I also got in my set, the wooden number 12 Modelones brush. And spoiler alert, I just love that brush. Yeah, you're gonna see it in a minute. So I just prepared my brush, made sure that all the packing powder is out, and now I'm dipping in my monomer, making my brush nice and ready to perform, because boy oh boy, is she's gonna perform today. Yes, she is, ladies and gents. Oh, whoa. By the way, how are you all doing? I hope you all had a nice Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Let me know on Instagram, or you can also let me know in my YouTube community, because I copy all my videos over there as well. So you guys have the chance to comment, so I hope you're gonna take use of that. I'm missing you guys. Okay? But yeah, now I forgot what I was going to ask you. Typical me, right? Okay, but let's start with this beautiful, beautiful blue color. Oh my goodness, guys, wait when you're gonna see that on the nail, because here in the jar, oh my gosh, yeah, oh my gosh, that's all that I can say. It changes so much once you put it on the nail, and I just love that color. So going in my monomer and in the powder, I bounced 3 times in the powder, and like you can see, that gave me a pretty nice bead. And yeah, something that I want to mention about this acrylic system that I really love, never have seen it before in another acrylic powder, but this powder is so strange but nice at the same time. If you look, when I put my bead down, see how it stays in the shape I put it down there? It only gonna get like creamy once I bounce again with my brush over my bead. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful ocean blue color. Don't you just love that? And trust me guys, this is just the start, I promise you. So here is my number 2. By the way, at the end I'm gonna show you all the original numbers. So if you really like one of the colors that I'm showing you here today, so you have the opportunity to buy them. And let me tell you, it's a very affordable system. And yeah, I just love it. Love it. So yeah, I'm rubbing my nail with a monomer, and there we go. This is a glittery one. Oh yes, that's a glittery one. Look at that. See? Ooh, so sexy. Look. See what I mean? The bead is just staying the way I put it, and once I start tapping it, then it's getting all nice and creamy. I also can tell you already, I swatched 10 colors in this video. I think I'm gonna do like 5 videos, each time 10 colors. What do you guys think? Let me know, okay? But yeah, I think that's a nice idea, so my videos are not too long, and that way we can spread them out a little bit more, so you have more to watch at, right? But look at that color. Oh my goodness, it so reminds me on Booboosglitterglory Sapphire. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, that color is spot on there. Yes, it is. Don't forget it, guys, I am an ambassador for Booboosglitterglory. She is selling glitter mixes and embellishments and glues and little shapes. So yeah, if you have interest, go and look down in my info box so you can order 15% discount. Oh, that was my question I was asking. what have you done on Christmas Eve and on Christmas Day? I am really interested to know. And also, what are you going to do with New Year? Because I think this is maybe gonna be my last one before New Year. Yeah? See what I mean? Look at that bead. Look at that bead. Are you kidding me? Look at that bead. It's just staying right there. And now, ooh, look at that. Look how creamy she's getting. Bam. That's a complete nail covered, baby. Yeah. I know I have a lot of purple lovers in my viewers, so this one is for you guys. Mwah! Oh my gosh, yes, number 4. She is also one of my favorites. I think you can already see what's going on. But look when I put her on my nail. Ooh, yes, talking about nail porn. Are you ready? Because there she goes. Ooh, do you see that? Look at that silver hollow in the gold. Yes, guys, this is a gold that is, oh my god, it's just soaked in with holographic silver. I am not kidding you. You can like use it for a nail bed if you want to have like a festive nail bed with a little bit, not a little bit, let me tell you, there's a lot of hollow in there, but you know what I mean, right? Look how gorgeous she is. Oh my gosh, I want to take a bath in this one, don't you? Okay, next we gonna do a swatchy. I think that's a neon, between neon and orange. Let me know what you think about this color. The only thing I can say is I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Yeah, she is definitely a summer color. But I think you can also use her in winter time. If you do like a cute snowman and you want to give him like a scarf and a little hat. Yeah, you can definitely use that color to color in his scarf and his hat, don't you think? Yeah, it's gonna be so cute. You can make a lady snowman with that. Just saying. Or for her nose. Ooh, that's gonna be a flashy orange nose, don't you think? So yeah, I know you have a lot of people and they're always saying, ooh, this is a nice summer color. Ooh, this is a nice wintry color. Ooh, this is a nice fall color. But actually, you can use every color through the whole year if you just think about it. Just think about it, right? Look how gorgeous she is. Oh my goodness. You just have to love her. Isn't it? Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we go to number 6 already. Wow, we are going fast in that video. And yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but I am not speeding that up, guys. That's how good this monomer and acrylic powder works from Modelones. Yeah, just to let you know, I really, really love it. So if you are not able to buy all those expensive brands, yeah, go give it a try. Definitely, I definitely gonna see if I can order more acrylics for Modelones because they are just gorgeous. And like you can see, till now I have no marbling at all. Okay, ooh, that is my favorite. That is my favorite. Okay, I'm not gonna ruin it for you guys, but just be quiet and take a look. Nothing special, right? Right here. Look, look, look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you see that? Oh my goodness, she is just amazing. She is bomb. She have fire, sister. Do you see that? Do you see all the reds and the oranges and the dark brown? It's just crazy. Oh my goodness, talking about festive. Maybe she is a little candidate to put on my New Year nails. I don't know, but yeah, she have a big chance though. Just letting you know, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at her. Tell me, this have to be your favorite as well, isn't it? Come on now. Come on now. Okay, let's see color 8. She is a very, very beautiful nude color, perfect to do like a nail bed on a nail. Yeah, she is simple but oh so beautiful. See? You see it again. The bead is not moving until I go back with my brush and touch her. And then she becomes so creamy. And again, guys, no marbling at all. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Because I don't know what it is, but I already have seen videos, also channels that are swatching Modelones acrylic. And theirs were so marbly, but I think I know what the issue is. Yeah, I don't know for sure, but I know one thing. Every time when I do acrylic nails, I always stir my powders before I use them. I know you cannot see it now, but you saw it in the beginning. I always gonna shake my powders up and give them a nice stir with my little stirly-whirly thingamabobby that you saw in the beginning. And yeah, I think that can truly help to have, oh my gosh, English #1, help. Okay, try that again, Sassy. I think that can truly help against marbling, okay? So yeah, maybe give it a try. And like you can also see, even when you use more than one bead, it's all flowing nicely together. You don't have a seam. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, Modelones, you did it with this acrylic. You truly did it. Yep, you have a new lover in the house. Okay, this is the last one that we're gonna swatch for you. She is a gorgeous, dusty pink color. I just love that color. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think she would be perfect like to do Valentine nails, because yes guys, love is in the air. February, remember Valentine? Ooh, ooh, yeah mama, Valentine, here she comes. Yeah, I truly believe she is a perfect color to wear on Valentine. Don't you think? Look how beautiful. It's not like a bright pink, but more like an old dusty pink. Yeah, that with like a black lace foil or a lace stamp above it. Ooh, yes. Oh, or some black roses. Ooh, or some black lips. Ah. Do I still need to go on there? So yeah, here are all the swatches. And look at my monomer, guys. Look at my monomer. Are you kidding me? It's still clean. So let me show you all the swatches with a white background so you can see the true colors shining through. Oh my goodness, don't you just love her? Yes, my favorite, #7. I told you. See, I'm hanging on that #7. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, I love them all. I truly love them all, but #7 for now, because we have still more than 40 to swatch. Till now, #7 is my absolute favorite. What is yours? Let me know. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you all the true product numbers with the swatches. So yeah, if you wanna order some so you know which number to go for, I really did my best to have the numbers correctly, because on some of the jars it was a little bit hard for me to see it as well, but I think I did a good job here. So yeah, I really hope you gonna give it a try. So yeah, I see my English #1 again. I'm sorry. My time is almost gone. That's what I'm trying to say. So I think it's time for me to already say my goodbyes. I'm gonna see you back probably next year. It's not so long, don't you worry. It's only the matter maybe of a couple of days or hours, so don't you worry, okay? You don't need to miss me for a long time. Have a nice new year. Keep it safe. Please guys, think about everything that you need to do to make sure you don't get the COVID, and also to not give other people COVID, okay? Be kind to each other and have a nice holiday, okay? I truly, truly love you all. I all wish you the best. And I see you next year, I guess. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rawr. And stay sassy. Bye-bye.